Step 1. Start with simple card tricks like the elevator card. It requires no special skills or props. Step 2. Find a reputable online resource, like a dedicated magic website or a YouTube channel for beginners. Step 3. Practice basic sleight of hand, like the false shuffle. This will improve card handling skills. Step 4. Learn coin tricks that involve vanishes and reappearances. These are great for impromptu performances. Step 5. Master the French drop, a basic sleight used in many coin vanish routines. Practice slowly and carefully. Step 6. Use everyday objects, like rubber bands, for simple magic tricks. These are easy to carry and perform. Step 7. Watch tutorial videos multiple times, paying close attention to hand movements and explanations. Step 8. Practice in front of a mirror to observe your movements and identify any unnatural gestures. Step 9. Record yourself performing the trick to analyze your performance and identify areas for improvement. Step 10. Perform for friends and family to get feedback. Ask them what they saw and what looked suspicious. Step 11. Don't reveal the secrets behind the tricks to your audience. Maintain the illusion and mystery. Step 12. Focus on presentation and storytelling. A good story can make even a simple trick more engaging. Step 13. Practice regularly. Consistency is key to improving your skills and making your performance smoother. Step 14. Join a local magic club to learn from experienced magicians and share your own tricks. Step 15. Be patient and persistent. Learning magic takes time and effort, so don't get discouraged easily.